Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning. Dennis Ventura?
No, LaShonda Lake.
No, I know that. Good morning to you, Ms. Lake. I'm just getting some people named. Everybody, I don't call you, if I don't mention you, then good morning to you. I'm just naming the people that I need to find out if they're in the right place.
Okay.
Dennis Ventura, Dennis Ventura.
I'm here.
Good morning to you. What is your, is that your full name, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're on the docket. Okay, very well. And then another person is Lawrence Childs King. Is Lawrence Childs King on the docket? Lawrence Child King.
He was in the waiting room, Your Honor. His name just, okay.
He's here. Let's see if we can unmute him. Unmute yourself, state your name, and start your camera. Childs King, unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please. Good morning to you. All right, get you out of the room. If you can't unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name. Lawrence Childs King. I'm sending you the prompt. All right, they leave. They left. All right.
I see him in the waiting room, Judge.
I do too again. Lawrence Childs King, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you officer? Childs King? Lawrence Childs King?
Yes, I'm here. You hear me?
Are you an officer, sir?
Officer? No.
All right, let me get a full name. I don't know if you're in the right spot or not. Is that your Childs King is your last name?
Childs King, yes, sir.
Do you have a case number?
Give me 1 second. Let me look it up.
Oh, it's in warrant status. You got to go to Judge Kennedy, sir.
Judge Kennedy.
Yeah, you have case number SP 1250784, counts 1 and counts 2.
Judge Kennedy. Oh yeah, SP 147754991.
See that one. SP 1477. Go ahead.
5491.
You have a couple of one has a hyphen in between it, and the other just has a space. So I don't know how you spell your name.
Yeah, it's supposed to have a hyphen in it. Childs hyphen King.
Okay, so this one needs to be corrected.
Excuse me, sir. You need.
Hold on, sir. Hold on.
Okay.
You hear me talking?
No, but I told you because not speaking English.
All right, I told you I'm going to get you an interpreter.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, you have to go to Judge Kennedy. Judge Kennedy, her Zoom ID is 435, Mr. Childs King.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, if it's nothing further, so I wish you the best of luck. And make sure you let them know that that one case is spelled without the hyphen. And then you have some other cases that are in there with the hyphen, okay?
Okay.
So they need to know that so they can make sure they bring up all your cases.
Okay,
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
On an iPhone, it was an iPhone, but I don't believe, okay. Once we get these two people named, we'll. On the iPhone, good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please, or ma'am? Can you unmute yourself and start your camera and state your name, please? What's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
I'm Lauderdale only, sir.
You're who? Only. You're back. All right.
Liddell only.
Liddell only. I already checked you. You know, you gotta check on your. Let me let this last iPhone in. Here's the Arabic interpreter. That's quick. iPhone, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name. Good morning to you. Somebody else on the iPhone, I'm sending you the prompts. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Lamar Glover.
No, not you, Mr. Glover. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
On the iPhone, you have to unmute yourself, sir. I just walked away. All right, let's get going. Good morning, Ms. Rahal.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's start it up. Let's open it up, Mr. Officer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies, no talking over the judge while the judge is talking. Please place your phones on mute. Court is in session.
All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. The iPhone just unmuted himself. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Diamani Lately.
Latham?
Lately.
Latham. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name, sir?
Lucas. Nathan.
Lucas. Yes, sir. All right, Mr. Lately and anybody else that's scheduled for trial, we're going to give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer does not show, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does show, then we'll get you in a breakout room with the city, with one of the attorneys, and get you an updated offer, okay? All right. Good morning. This is this. Are you ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who said excuse me?
Hold it, for what you are. I would like to start to want to adjourn this, please.
You're gonna get a chance, Mr. Ochoa. Let me, everybody's gonna go in the order that they came in. That's another thing. I'm gonna start, I'm gonna take you in the order that you came in, the best I can. I'm gonna get you out of here as fast and efficiently as possible. Please be ready. No slouching, sleeping, be appropriately addressed, and let me name this one last person. Let's call this 313-854-7279. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Hey, Jerry Graham.
Graham.
Yeah, G-R-A-H-A-M.
Good morning to you, Mr. Jerry Lee Graham.
Good.
All right, good morning to you, sir. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Joshua Andrew Lotto. To strike that, state of Michigan versus Joshua Andrew Lotto, case number SX405-1708, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Peter Torres. My P number is 68242. And
I imagine this is an arraignment. He's in the Oakland County Jail, and I'll waive his presence if that's okay with the court.
Good morning to you. I will waive the client's presence. It's not an arraignment, it's a pretrial, so what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if we could, I was seeing on the docket here, it said it was in warrant status, but if the court's showing that it's a pretrial, I would just ask for an adjournment for 30 days until he's released from the Oakland County Jail, and then we'll appear in court.
Come back on the 19th of September, the 19th of September. If there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Ms. Rahal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Nurse Samira Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that you will interpret from English to Spanish? Strike that. Do you swear or affirm that you'll interpret from English to Arabic, Arabic to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm here for Jilan Mukhtar.
All right. Let me call. This is the city of Detroit versus Mukhtar Ali Gilan, case number SP 1748362, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr.
Mr. Perry.
Good morning,
Madam.
Samira Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court. For Jilan Mukhtar. Tina,
Mr. Rahal, you gotta put it in Arabic.
that's what I'm asking him to give your name so I can. سيد جيلان مختار. هيدي القضية ولاية ميشيغان مقابل جيلان مختار. رقم القضية SP 117483621. أعطينا اسمك سيد.
مختار علي جيلان.
مختار علي جيلان.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
بالنسبة لأسباب ليش هو موجود هون رح يكون صامت حضرة القاضي.
Winner, not guilty plea your client to have. I'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him, get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
اوكي رح يدخلنا على غرفة خاص لتحكي مع المحامي وتحاولوا تحلوها. إذا ما قدرتوا تحلوها بتأجلوها ليوم تاني، يوم محكمة. فبس بالإشارة تكبس عليها بندخل على الغرفة. سامع؟
اوكي. على اين اكبس؟ في اي مكان؟
Where do I touch when it comes? What do I touch?
See it?
الإشارة شايفة بيقول join. شفتها وصلت؟ شايف من تحت join؟
ايه
اكبس عليها.
ضاعت علي. اوكي.
بعد اكبس على
اوكي على مربعات مكتوب عندي.
اوكي join وين بيقول ادخل. هيدا الازرق من تحت. يلا بسرعة اكبس عليها من تحت. وين بيقول
He's in there.
اوكي All right.
All right, let's pass the matter. Garth, are we, Garth?
It's Octavia.
Octavia, I'm sorry, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Julie.
Okay. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Octavia Garth, case number SP 174-9980, counts 1, 2, 3. Here's the record.
Your Honor, good morning again. Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Sir, state your name for the record, please. Garth, are you there?
Oh, I'm sorry, Octavia Garth.
All right. Today's date and time set for a pre-trial, Ms. Garth. Mr. Roby's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Wednesday, are you there? Marcus Owensby?
Yes, sir.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Do you have a middle name, Mr. Owensby?
Marcus Allen Owensby Jr.
City of Detroit versus Marcus Allen Owensby Jr. Case number SP 174-61721. Here to the record, please. That would be Mr. Zarani.
Judge Bob Zaranick for the defendant. Sorry about that.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Owensby. State your name for the record, please.
Marcus Allen Owensby Jr.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Owensby, speak to Mr. Zaranick in the breakout room. Mr. Zaranick is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Okay. Counselor Green, what's your client's name again?
Nolan Gressens, last name Gressens.
Oh, maybe show.
Officer Thomas Janelle Thomas Paul to Roosevelt to dismissal.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Snyder.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right. Anybody ready? I'm gonna go ahead and start letting people in and naming these people. Mr. Green, Counselor Green, you can go in forward and speak with the city ahead of your client's arrival.
Okay, great. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Ariana Patton.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Ma'am, are you an officer, Patton?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You know how to do it.
It's on, Mr. Myrick can have it. I'm fine. Today is the 22nd. What you talking about? Oh, okay. All right. Mhm.
All right, that, Mark,
Yes. Good morning.
you're our attorney? Yeah, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Samuel Gaeke, Gaecke.
All right, your client is in the waiting room. I'm gonna let him in. Go to breakout room 4. I'm gonna put your client in breakout room 6. If your client takes a deal today, make sure your client is fully advised of his rights or rights, all right?
Great, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Gaeke, join breakout room 6. Your attorney is here. He's gonna come see you in a few minutes, all right? All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Galan. Mr. Galan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Okay.
Waiting for the interpreter.
رجعنا لسيد جيلان. شو قرر يا محامي شو رح يعمل السيد جيلان؟
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We seek dismissal based on valid documents.
حضرة القاضي الموكلني هو فرجاني على تأمين شرعي وتسجيل السيارة شرعي. رح نطلب منك تلغي القضية لأنه كل شيء شرعي.
All right, case is dismissed. Mr. Galan, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
سيد جيلان مبروك، لغى القضية وقال لك موفق وإن شاء الله نهار سعيد.
ان شاء الله. ما في دفاع تكتات.
I don't owe anything, right?
No, you don't. Sir.
لا ما سكر الشاشة. اشكرهم.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. وهذه فرايدة وشكرا لك. شكرا لك. الله يرضى عليك. يسلموا لي.
God bless you.
ما في بروف ما بيبعثوا لي.
سكر.
Bye. Bye.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Alahami. Hey, Alahami.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're officer. Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Right. Mr. Hall, I don't know if anybody else needs your services. All right. Shonda Lake.
Yes, I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Shonda Lake, case number C 575-022, counts 1 and counts 2, appearing for the rest of the
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lake.
LaShonda Lake.
Today is the date and time. It's not set for the 29th. It's the 29th. Okay. Do you have valid documents, ma'am?
Yes, right here.
All right, go to the breakout rooms. For purposes of show cause, arraignment, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, Ms. Lake. Mr. Berry, give Ms. Lake an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
And what are the charges, Your Honor?
It's no insurance and no registration.
Thank you.
Join the room, please.
Okay.
Pass the mic. Let's go and Okay, is anyone ready? Attorney Seymour, are you ready?
I am, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremy Nathan Link, case number 253554261. Appearance for the record, please.
Seymour Schwartz, Your Honor, appearing on behalf of the defendant, who is sitting right next to me. You can see him. Morning. We're requesting a trial, and the discovery is going to be provided to us.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Link. State your name for the record.
Jeremy Nathan Link.
All right. Come back on the 12th of September at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
We'll be there.
What is your name, sir?
Lucas.
Nathan.
He's on the first page, Your Honor.
Do you have a cell phone?
He doesn't.
It's in the car, sir. It's outside.
Can you go get it?
Yes, sir.
Or just zoom in from outside?
Okay. Thank you.
I'll get you out of here.
Appreciate it.
Today is raining on.
I'm back.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lake. Ms. Lake, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Did Mr. Berry come back yet?
I'm back, Your Honor.
I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration. We seek dismissal.
Case dismissed, ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Carisha Green, case number SP 172771111. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Carisha Green.
Carisha Green, I'm sorry, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Plaintiff not guilty, plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass for now.
She's not on today, sir.
She is a arraignment on the bench, arraignment at 8:30. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Owensby. Mr. Owensby, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we're going to move for dismissal based on valid documentation.
Case dismissed, Mr. Owensby. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Johnson said it had one case for 2, 3.
City of Detroit versus Joel Green, case number SP 172744461, SP 1727641. Mr. Zoran, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Bob Zoranic for the defendant. Please state your name, sir.
Hello.
Joel Nathan Green.
Say Joel Green.
Yes, Joel Green there. Can you start your camera, please?
Oh, yes, my bad.
All right, good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Joel Green.
All right, Mr. Green, the date is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Zarani. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
I don't see him on the, Joe Green.
He's at the bottom of 835, last name.
No, I know, I see him on there. I don't, I don't see him on here to place him in a breakout room. Oh, here. Is that Harry Baughman's client? That's Harry Baughman's client. Let's pass the matter. We'll wait on Mr. Baughman. All right, is this on the iPhone that just checked in? What is your name, please? Unmute yourself on the iPhone.
My name Ladio Oni. My phone had died, sir.
All right. On the iPhone, I just let in the room iPhone 3. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Nathan Lucas.
All right, City of Detroit, good morning, versus Nathan Daniel Lucas, case number SP 160684961, SP 111617, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 11116371, SP 112980, start that, SP 1129810, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1389565, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9644961, 22737166, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Zarani.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant. Please state your name.
Nathan Daniel Lucas.
All right. Day is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, counsel.
Yes, so warrant judge, we waive the reading of the waive the formal reading, stand mute. We're asking that the warrants be set aside.
We are not good to have to call the warrants, and he owes $336 on an old no insurance proof. If he pays that, he owes 2 other civil infractions to a defective lights 192 and a registration 174. If he pays the old no insurance proof, he can potentially set himself up to get a valid driver's license. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, sir, with Mr. Zaranick. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Are you? Your client is here, Nolan Grisham.
Great, thank you, Your Honor. I've been communicating with them by text message.
You ready on Mr. Grisham?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Nolan Grisham, case number SP 1754770, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1755172, SP 1755173,
I think it was today.
09.
So send me what you
You're gonna have to mute yourself, Officer Thomas. Z8 09746, appearance for the record, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Vince Green on behalf of the defendant, Nolan Gressens.
All right, Mr. Gresham, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Nolan Gressens.
All right, Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial, and then we're gonna pre-try the other. You've already pre-tried the Zeke ticket as well, right, Counsel?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, for purposes of bond, we're gonna give your client a $500 personal bond. We're gonna have your client test one time per week. The client is not allowed to leave the state without the court's permission. And obviously, no drinking during the pendency of this case. I need a good phone number from your client.
Go ahead, Mr. Gressens.
Your Honor, it's 248-251-7766.
Okay, Mr. Greshams, probation is going to reach out to you for purposes of testing. I expect to see a test here one time per week. I understand the day is Friday, so it may not happen that quickly, but if by next week, I want to see a test one time per week and every week until the bond conditions change or the case is resolved or some other action happens. I'm going to give you the number to probation just in case. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But that number is 313. 313-965-3414. If you do not hear from probation sometime next week and it gets to be later in the week, then you need to either reach out to your attorney, reach out to the court, and you can always call that number. Your client the testing is going to be if there is a mistest, a diluted test, or if there's a positive test for alcohol, we're going to up the ante on the bond, and your attorney will explain that to you. You know, that is not a self-explanatory. All right.
Okay, Your Honor.
Mr. Green, what does your client want a pretrial date?
Yes, Your Honor. I did talk to the city attorney. We're getting discovery. And so maybe if we could get another pretrial date, that would be great.
June the 5th. I mean, strike that. September the 5th, 2025. Does that comport with your schedule, Counsel?
If by Zoom it does, Your Honor, I'll be in Colorado out there for a celebration, but I can still make that work.
All right, it's by Zoom. It's like Burger King, Counselor. You have it your way.
Yeah, that'd be fine, Your Honor. September 5th.
Right. 8:30 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gresham, I wish you a very good rest of your day, and Counselor, have a good day.
Great, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Gressens, I'll call you later.
Sounds good.
Okay, let's. Are we ready on Garth? Octavia Garth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Garth. Ms. Garth, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, she's requesting a bench trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Ms. Garth?
Yes, sir.
All right, September the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m., ma'am. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
All right, thank you. All right.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Daniel, I've retained on Roosevelt Outlaw. We are ready on that when you are.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Oni, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, City of Detroit versus Vidal Deshawn Oni, case numbers SP 1604589, counts 1 and 2. SP 1630197, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696941, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696961, and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 706102, counts 2 and 3. SP 176122, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1758513, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1768349, counts 1 and 2. Run his license, please. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Oni.
Mr. Oni.
Sir,
State your name for the record, please.
Lydell Oni.
Morning, today is the time set for trial. Got some more tickets, so purposes of arraignment on those other tickets, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, wait the phone. We're reading the information. Stand mute to the charges.
Put in a not guilty plea on Mr. Oni's behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Oni does have a valid driver's license. Congratulations, Mr. Oni.
Thank you.
Ms. Soroki, are you ready?
Yes.
So I'm 14 into the record. Right, and I counted 19 into the record. They are 14 on the docket. So we're looking at a unregistered, untitled, no insurance, another unregistered, untitled, another no insurance, and a drove while license suspended. Give Mr. Oni an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Oni, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial, all right? Put you in a breakout with Mr. Soroki. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, this is Mark Corvo, back out of the breakout room and ready to proceed for Mr. Sam Gakey.
I think that's ridiculous because that's what we saw in the.
Judge, did you mute?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
City of Detroit versus Roosevelt and the state of the City of Detroit. Not the state of Michigan. City of Detroit versus Roosevelt. Outlaw case number SP 1714392, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Trevor Daniel on behalf of Roosevelt Outlaw.
Okay.
All right, where's Corvo's case?
Your Honor, you may have mentioned my name, Mark Corvo, Sam Gakey. Had a chance to speak to the prosecutor and ready to relay the outcome of that if guided.
All right, now, Mr. Daniel, Attorney Daniel, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Past Outlaw. Now it seems like Mr. Soroki was representing him. I don't know if Mr.
I believe I just filed an appearance on it yesterday, so it may not have processed yet.
All right.
That's fine. You can substitute into the case.
And what is Gakey set for?
Your Honor, that's sent for a bench trial today. I have spoken to the prosecutor, and the case will be dismissed for lack of recollection.
That's the one officer. City of Detroit versus Samuel Frederick Gakey, case number SP 173363331. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Corvo on behalf of Mr. Samuel Gakey.
All right. Good morning to you, Officer Mr. Gakey. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Judge, it looks like he's in breakout room 6.
Thank you.
Want me to get him back?
I tried to.
Oh, here he comes.
Okay, good morning to you. Can you state your name, please, for the record?
Samuel Gakey.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a trial. Officer did call early this morning, so he appeared, or she appeared, and indicated that they had no recollection. Go ahead, counsel. Counsel, is your motion?
Yep, my apologies, Your Honor. On behalf of my client, Sam Gakey, will put forth a motion to dismiss.
All right, motion is granted. No recollection. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you both.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Where's you welcome? Where's Outlaw? Outlaw here.
Scheduled for trial today. And we have,
what's going to happen?
yes, we have spoken with the prosecutor and they will dismiss 2 of the charges and will plead responsible.
Hold on. Back on the record, let's go call the City of Detroit versus Roosevelt Schuyler Outlaw Jr., case number SB 171-4392, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Trevor Daniel, P73480 on behalf of Roosevelt Outlaw, who's present on Zoom.
Mr. Outlaw, good morning to you. State your name, please, for the record.
Good morning, Roosevelt Outlaw.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Thomas here?
Yes.
Janelle Thomas, can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please? Go ahead, Counselor. What's the offer?
Thank you. The offer is to plead responsible to passenger not wearing a seatbelt and dismiss the remaining charges.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that response. Client's behalf, stipulate the proper cause of the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
Find your client responsible as charged with the seatbelt ticket, $65. When can you pay it, Mr. Outlaw?
I can pay that today.
All right, pay it. Make sure you get it in here by let's say Monday. The 25th. All right, pay it in DivDat kiosk in the City of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. There's other ways to pay it. Those are just the 2 best ways to pay it, Mr. Outlaw. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day, and Counsel Daniel, you have a very good day as well. That's what you want.
Thank you. You as well, Your Honor.
You too.
So let's see if Mr. Soroki, you have any, all right, so everybody's, let's go back.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, who do you have, Mr. Soroki?
We had Damani lately, and I interrupted you because there's no police officer. I had just talked to the prosecutor, and so we can call that now. That's 9:32. Scheduled for 9 o'clock trial.
This is City of Detroit versus Diamani Del Rico Lakey, case number SP 169-55681.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir? Please state your name.
Diamani Del Rico lately.
You wanted to serve, date and time set for a trial. Is there an officer? Obviously, there's no officer.
Perry.
Perry, an officer Perry. Go ahead, Counselor. Go ahead, make your motion, Counselor.
Alan Soroki, defense moves to dismiss this matter, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, Mr. Lately. No officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor, and good day to your staff.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
You as well. All right. On the record, Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Mr. Berry. I think your client wants to appoint an attorney.
That is correct, Your Honor. Thank you.
Green, is that what you want? Where's Ms. Green?
She's here in the courtroom.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Green, good morning. All right, you want to appoint an attorney. What I'm going to do is it's 313-706-8985, the best number to reach you.
Yes.
I'm gonna set you a pretrial date for September the 5th, 2025, at 8:30. That date is set just to make sure that that attorney has contacted you. If the attorney has not contacted you, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All right, on that, on that date. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Green, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, so I will have court on the 5th
You'll have court on the 5th.
at 8:30. Okay, thanks.
Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Marcel Glover, case number SP 175-3624, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 175-3627, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Glover.
Marcel James Glover.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Glover, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucas, Nathan Lucas. Mr. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we have a plea worked out.
Mr. Lucas, you don't want to try to get a driver's license first?
Well, I discussed it with my counsel, and I think it'll be smarter just to pay this off because there's still a chance of it being held up. Even if I do go pay the insurance ticket and come back to court, there's still one more insurance ticket that can hold my license up. So that's what we just discussed. So I would rather plea out.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Saranic went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, what's the deal, Mr. Zarani?
On ticket ending 8102, Judge, which is an improper plate, he'll plead as charged. Ticket 5651 is allowing unlicensed driver to drive. That'll be a 3-month delayed sentence. Ticket 5652 is no registration. A plea is charged. 5653 is a no insurance misdemeanor. Plead that down to improper plates. And 4961 is an improper license. That'll plead to a failure to display. All other matters will be dismissed. So he'll plead to the 5, Judge. 8 will be dismissed.
Take the deal, sir. You want to take the deal, Mr. Lucas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 13th, 2022, at around 11:12 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of St. Louis Street and East Outer Drive. Do you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor? Well, did you own a 2005 Chrysler on that day?
Yes, sir.
Well, on that day, were you operating this motor vehicle or somebody else operating this motor?
I can't really remember. That might have been the time where somebody else was operating it. I think it was my little brother. He was unlicensed.
So why did you say you were?
Because one of them times I was operating it, sir. It's been so long. I'm not too sure which one of them was that exact incident.
This is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. So was at St. Louis and Outer Drive? Well, then you probably wouldn't know the date unless you were in the car with him. You own a 2005 Chevrolet Chrysler on that day, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
And you allowed somebody to drive that Chrysler?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you allowed that person to drive that Chrysler knowing that that person didn't have a valid driver's license. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I find your client guilty as charged to the allowing. Did you have insurance on that car on that day?
No, sir.
Did you have registration? Was that car properly registered on that day?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we can't take the plea for the no registration. I'm sure we can find another ticket here. All right, so I'm gonna find him guilty of the admitted count of improper plate for the no insurance. Let me draw your attention way back to September the 5th, 2020, at around 6:16 p.m. in the area of Davison and 6 Mile. On that date and time, did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
You operate motor vehicles?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid? Was it something wrong with the plates on that car?
I just bought the car and the officer was unable to see the plate. It was in the window. And I did get pulled over.
All right, well, was it something wrong with the plate? Because the officer's saying that was something wrong with the plate.
Yes, sir. I can take the off. I don't know what was wrong with the plate, sir, but yes, sir.
You see what's going on here? It's either one, he actually doesn't know what's going on, or two, there's a lack of, he's not admitting culpability. This is the problem. I understand these tickets are super old. That's why I asked you, sir, you want to try to go get a license and do this. Let's, what about, so you just bought the car. Did you have insurance on the vehicle?
No, sir.
All right. So I'll find him guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance. And did you have a license at that time?
No, sir.
I'll find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display. And you're saying the plates were good, right?
Your Honor, I just purchased the car a week prior. The officer said the plates weren't good, sir. So I'm going with the officer's word. I would like to get this taken care of, sir. I don't want to make anything harder.
Why are you going with the officer's word? You just bought the car.
Yes, sir. I bought it a week prior to when I got pulled over, and
I
they
know.
were.
So you don't know whether the plates are good on the vehicle or not?
It was a paper plate, sir.
I don't care what kind of plate it was. You bought the vehicle, right?
Yes, sir.
Where did you get the vehicle from?
I bought it from a coworker.
So did you put the paper plate on the vehicle, or?
No, it was already on there, sir. It was already on there, sir.
So you didn't transfer the vehicle in your name?
I did. It took about a week later. I went up there to transfer the car in my name and get the title in my name. I did not do it immediately.
Stop. Did you do the transfer of the title before or after you got the ticket?
After, sir.
After you got the ticket. So yes, you do know that plate is not any good.
Yes, sir. Yes. If
what?
Well, he was driving the car prior to me buying it, sir. So
You told me that you bought the car.
Yes, sir.
You got the car, and then you transferred the plate, and then you transferred. Wait a minute, stop.
Okay.
Listen to me. You told me you bought the car, and a week later you went to the Secretary of State and transferred the plate. And then after that, you said you got pulled over, right?
No, I got pulled over before that, sir.
Okay,
before I got the plates transferred.
So
before I got the car in my name, I got pulled over, sir. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding.
I'm going to set a trial date because this is all convoluted now. Because he can't write you for a no insurance misdemeanor for a car that you say you don't own yet, because you don't own it until you go into the Secretary of State and transfer that plate into your name. So you're not responsible for having insurance on a vehicle. You're responsible for showing proof of insurance, but he can't write you for that misdemeanor. The plate is, whether the plate is improper or not, I don't know. And then I don't know of any other tickets here that we can take a factual basis for. Let me draw your attention back to 11/12/2020 at 11:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Van Dyke and Grisdale. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Are you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
The same 2005 Chrysler. Now,
yes.
Are you going to tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I didn't even ask you a question yet.
Oh, you said the same 2005 Chrysler, sir.
Yeah. Did you have a license on that day?
No, sir.
I'm guilty of allowing. Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle on that day?
I can't remember, sir.
This is your client, Mr. Zoranic. I don't know.
Was the car registered properly or not then, sir?
Oh, no,
sir. Was it registered in your name on that day?
No, sir.
He's sitting in the driver's seat of a car now?
Yes, sir.
Found guilty as charged to the improper plate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counts of either allowing improper plate or failure to display. Stipulate the proper cause, will dismiss the other matters. All right, I'll fine you for 3 of them, sir. 240, 240, and 240. I will fine you for the other 2. When can you pay?
I can make a payment today, sir. I'll go in there and pay $300 today, and then the rest of it, if you will allow me a little bit of time, 30 or 60 days to pay the rest.
You see this, Mr. Zoranic? I just don't understand the logic of Mr. Lucas's how he explained it to me. I'm giving the man time to try to get a valid driver's license. He could have paid the $336 today, and then he could have gone and taken care of the other. Now you're going to ask me for some more time, 2 months to pay.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't know that, sir. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I tried to. You want to get it over with. That's what you want to do. That's what you said.
Yes, sir. If you
I'm
want me to
gonna
pay
give
the
you-
$360 today, I
I'm
would
not
go
gonna,
and pay
no,
it.
we're not, but now, allow payment plan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure it out. Come back on, on September 19th, 2025 at 8:25. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. And, when we get this in the system, you can go ahead and make whatever payment you want. If you want to get into a payment plan, you'll probably be able to do that. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. If there's something further, Mr. Lucas, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. You can come up and get your paperwork, and then we will we'll let you go down there and pay whatever you need to pay. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All right. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Zoranic versus James Lowell Gordon, case number SP 173098001. SP 1763721, SP 1763227, strike that. SP 1763722, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant. Please state your name.
He's in the breakout. This must be somebody else's client. They put some writing on behind that. Mr. Gordon, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
James Gordon.
Is this James Lowell Gordon?
Yes.
Good morning to you. Did you speak to someone already? Speak to an attorney already?
Yes. Mr. Bossman or Bossman? I don't know where he is.
Let's pass the matter to Mr. Bossman gets ready. All right. M. Gardner, good morning to you. M. Gardner.
Hi.
Good morning, ma'am. Can you give me the pronunciation of your first name, please?
Miani.
Yanni? All right,
Yes.
good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit. That's the City of Detroit versus Miani Chardonnay Gardner. Case number SP 1729011. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1729031. SP 1745363. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Ms. Gardner. Please state your name.
Miani Gardner.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a set for Mr. Durant.
I'm trying to find it on the docket, Judge.
Give me 1 second. Let me pass it 1 second. All right.
You don't have to go to the courtroom.
I don't.
No, Judge.
Might be under Monet. What's your middle name, ma'am?
I saw that, but I think she was on here for yesterday.
Yeah, because I don't know who that.
Chardonnay.
Yesterday.
What's your middle name, ma'am, Miss Gardner?
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay. She was
Okay.
scheduled for 21.
Oh, okay.
I was scheduled for yesterday.
Correct.
So she came.
It's in process, but they haven't got to it yet. They're working on it.
Like the mistake there.
Uh,
That guy don't push that.
So you can get the smoke greens and cars. You can actually get the barbecue platters, $20. Chicken, smoked meats, and 270.
All right, sorry about the delay. Miss Gardner, what is she set for?
Judge, it was up yesterday. Not sure.
That's why I don't see. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gardner. So she's got an unregistered, untitled, no insurance, improper plate, seatbelt, transporting marijuana, and open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger. You get that, Mr. Zarani?
Trying to keep up. I got no registration, title, improper plate, marijuana, open alcohol.
Seatbelt. So unregistered, untitled, no insurance, improper plate, seatbelt, transport marijuana, and an open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger.
Okay. Got it.
How many set for yesterday? It was set for pretrial. We'll call the date and time set for pretrial. Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Zarani. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Can you get it?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcel Glover. Mr. Glover, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Your Honor, if the court could confirm Mr. Glover's valid license.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oni. Mr. Oni, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Oni, I'm going to give you a trial date for September the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Oni, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Pablo Gomez, case number SP174-979. One, two, appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke of Mr. Gomez.
Hello.
Mr. Gomez, state your name for the record, please. Good morning to you. Mr. Gomez, state your name for the record, please.
Yeah. Mi nombre es Pablo Gómez.
That's the CTOS interpreter.
Hello, I'm here next to him, helping him.
I gotta get a court appointed interpreter, court authorized interpreter, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Okay.
All right, we'll pass the matter until we get that interpreter.
Okay.
All right, Mr. License is valid for Mr. Glover.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hold on a second, Mr. Barry. I gotta put this stuff in. For Mr. Give a minute. Dennis Ventura, are you there? Mark, you're gonna have to mute your background, Mr. Glover, when I call your name. You have too much background noise going on. Ventura?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Dennis Alexander Ventura. Case numbers is more than meets the eye here, Ms. Soroka. Case numbers SP 1177259, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1221905, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1290240, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 129 and count 3, I'm sorry. SB 1377410, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1747708, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1747709, State of Michigan versus Dennis Ventura, case number SX 419585, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Ventura.
Mr. Ventura, state your name for the record, please.
Dennis Ventura.
Okay, what the best thing to do with this case is probably send him to his alphabet judge, because there are so many cases. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'm going to give him a $0 bond. I'm going to recall the warrants. You don't have the files from all these other cases. So I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, who is Judge Williams, Larry Williams. I'm going to give you a pretrial date for September the 3rd, 2025 at 8:35, okay?
Okay.
He owes $336 on one no insurance proof. And he owes some other civil infractions as well, but if he pays that no insurance proof, $336, he can potentially set himself up to get a valid license. You want to speak to him anyway, Ms. Soroki, or are you okay?
Yeah, let me let him know that.
All right, go in the breakout room, sir. Speak to Ms. Soroki, and if you don't have any further questions of the court, you're free to leave after you talk to Ms. Soroki, all right? Let's pass the matter. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcel Glover. Mr. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, Mr. Glover has a valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor, and Mr. Glover would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea as charged to the seatbelt charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Glover?
Yes, Your Honor.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find the client responsible for the amended count of, as charged to the seatbelt ticket. Dismiss the other matters for providing valid documentation. Mr. Glover, $65, when can you pay?
Your Honor.
Say what?
Oh, Your Honor, I can pay.
When can you pay it? He just, every time you say the date or say you go silent.
Let me take it off. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Every time it does it, because there's something going that is tricking us.
Pay today.
Okay, pay it by Monday, 2025. And pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There are other ways to pay it, but those are just the two best ways I get people to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Great weekend.
You as well. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Olympia. Grab it. Case number SP 1728250, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1728251, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1728252, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gravitt.
Olympia Gravitt.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, You have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you.
I had already talked to my attorney Boffman. He said we was doing just a trial.
All right, I'll let them know. Trial date. Where's Mr. Boffman? Mr. Boffman appears for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, your name?
Olympia Gravett.
Judge, my client's been advised we're requesting a bench trial by way of Zoom.
All right, I'll give her a trial date for September the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's something further, Ms. Gravett, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Judge, I can't take September 12th. I am going to be out of town.
What day will you be available, Mr.
I'll be back on September 19th. Or no, the 20th.
Well, that's not gonna help us. When will you be leaving for out of town?
I'm leaving on the 11th.
That's not gonna help us too. Can we do 9/9? Let's do 9/9.
Perfect.
9/9. September 9th. September 9th, Ms. Gravett. September 9th, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, man. Mr. Boffman.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go recall the city of Detroit. Is that James Lowell Gordon that you have as well?
Ready.
Let's go back on the record with James Lowell Gordon. Mr. Boffman, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gordon?
Harry Boffman, on behalf of the defendant, sir, we are asking respectfully that you set this matter for a bench trial on September 9.
All right, that trial date is September 9th, Mr. Gordon. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Rashard Gray, are you driving? You're driving. I'm gonna put you out, sir, until you get to your safe location. Until you get to a safe location.
I'm ready.
You're driving, sir.
I will get on the passenger side or get out the car, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go with Mr. Berry. You still need someone?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Soroki, you need someone as well, right?
Correct.
Mr. Berry.
Judge, what was Mr. Gordon's name?
James Lowell Gordon. City of Detroit versus Magdid Abdul Salam Gahar. Case number SP 1752797, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Yes, Majid Abdul Saleh Jawhar.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gahar updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gahar, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
I want your assurance to be locked away before your inspection.
City of Detroit versus Roger William Lewis. Case number SP 1649646, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1649684-1. SP 1722694, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1722734, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Roger William Lewis.
Day is date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Ms. Soroki, give Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lewis, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Roki. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, let's pass the matter. Mr. Hoffman, do you have anyone else?
I do, Your Honor. I'm here also for Joel Green. Did we call Mr. Gordon? James Gordon, are you here?
Yeah, he left. We set up a trial date. Let's go back on, let's call to see if he's Flurry versus Joel Green. Case number SP 172-74461, SP 172-7604. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman, P 55052, on behalf of the defendant. Would you, sir, state your name?
Joel Green.
Judge, there's a genuine and material issue of facts such that we're asking for a trial date. My client's been advised and wishes to waive his right to a jury trial and have a bench trial on that date and time, please.
All right, Mr. Green, I'm gonna set a trial date for you on September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Step in for this gentleman, Mr. Lewis.
It's over here, Judge.
No. All right, you got to be quiet, sir. Mr. Gahar on the top.
He does speak an Arabic accent.
Okay, I got it. All right. Let's go back on the record. Mr. Zoranic, do you have anyone?
I have Minoni Gardner, Judge.
Ms. Gardner, are you there? I think, all right, Mr. Zoranic, let me call the City of Detroit versus Jorge Luis Ochoa Perez, case number SP 118877, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 15852611, SP 1656582, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1662500, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob
Good morning.
Zermanik for the defendant, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
Jorge Luis Ochoa Perez.
Morning to you, sir. I'm going to put you in a breakout today at the time set for a pre-trial. I'll put you in a breakout room. Mr. Zoranic is going to get you an update on the time. If you don't like the offer, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gohar. Mr. Gohar, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to show valid insurance as well as registration. We seek dismissal for having valid documents.
Our case dismissed, sir. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Honor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Hannah Okai. Case, did I get the pronunciation right, ma'am?
Yeah, Hannah Okai.
Okay, turn your camera on, please. City of Detroit versus Hannah Okai, case number SP 174-75961. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Okai.
Hannah Okai.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Okai, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Please let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Roger Williams Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lewis, I'm going to give you a trial date for September the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Something further. I wish you the best of luck, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. September the 12th. Okay.
Jamal Glover.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of
So I can leave now, sir?
City of Detroit versus Jamal Glover, case number SP 174-9145, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 174-9150. I'm here for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Glover, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Jamal Glover.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mrs. Cherokee.
At this time, we waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Your client has some other matters.
Can I have a moment to speak with you?
Speak to Mrs. Soroki first, okay? Glover. Yes, Jamal Glover.
You said Jamal Glover. Okay.
He has a 20 to 25 over and a no insurance proof. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to.
Bring his stuff to. Might get caught in.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do, come out, okay?
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Perez, Ochoa Perez. Mr. Ochoa Perez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Mr. Zorani, your client wants a pre-trial. I'm going to set up a trial date.
Oh, Judge, I heard a different name. I'm sorry. Did you call Ochoa Perez?
Yes, I'm going to set him a trial.
Yeah, I mean, we can, Judge. He just wants to, he just needs a little more time to bring his insurance and license.
All right, Mr. Ochoa, I'm going to give you a trial date for September the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Jerron Omega Leverett Jr. Case number SP 1746997, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir. Mr. Leverett, please unmute and state your name. I'll send you a prompt.
Jerron Leverett.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Leverett, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. He has a seatbelt ticket as well. Mr. Zorani, give Mr. Leverett an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Leverett, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in the breakout room, Mr. Zorani. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Good morning and thank you. Appreciate it.
Pass the matter.
Judge Mione Gardner said she was back in the waiting room.
Yes. That's for you. All right, this pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Mr. Zorani, what does your client want to do?
Judge, we have a plea on one ticket and set a bench trial on another ticket.
Why don't we just set a bench trial on all of it?
Well, we can.
Yeah, I mean, that way you get a global resolution instead of pleading today and then maybe having to plead again and all that kind of stuff, right?
Yeah, we were just hoping. Okay, yeah, whatever
So
works for the court.
Let me understand what's behind it.
Well, the one ticket she would just plead to a seatbelt civil infraction, and then if the other matter was dismissed, she'd be done. So that's what we were
talking about. Pleading to the seatbelt civil infraction and all the cases related to that will be dismissed and then come to court on the marijuana and open alcohol.
Right.
Yeah, those were on separate days. I don't have any issue with that.
All right. I think that'd be good because hopefully she can resolve all this with just the seatbelt ticket then.
Well, if you want to take the deal today, ma'am, it's plead to the seatbelt, pay the $65 and set the other two matters for they were set. All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. There should be 3 other tickets being dismissed, 3 other counts. Or actually, it's the whole other ticket, Judge, which has 3 counts. It's the 9011, 1, 2,
Yeah.
and 3 would be dismissed.
Yeah, I know that. I'm just,
Oh, okay.
was this discussed with the city attorney?
Yes.
Responsible for that charge. And then let's set another, you gonna appoint an attorney on his other tickets?
That might be the best, Judge.
We get the phone number from you, ma'am.
313-656-9854.
I'm gonna set another pre-trial for the September the 5th. That pre-trial date is set for you to an appointed attorney to reach out to you. That appointed attorney does not reach out to you by the September the 5th. We'll get one appointed to you on the spot. If that, and then we'll move on from there. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. All right. If you have any further questions, ma'am?
No.
I'll see you back on September the 5th at 8:30. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Ryan, this is the city of Detroit versus Jerry Lee Graham, case number SB 1750597. Counts 1 and counts 2, and then U5259529, and then U66370223. Hearing for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor. Please state your name.
Jerry Lee Graham, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. *6 to unmute yourself, please. He has a U ticket that was in 12/14/2019. That's a violation of knife ordinance. That was written by Officer Knox. And then another ticket that was 2/8/2023. That was a alcohol related violation. And those are in warrant status. Unmute yourself, Jerry Lee Graham. Press *6 to unmute yourself. Send him the prompt. You need to say your name for the record, sir.
Jerry Graham.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial on the one. The other ones are on warrant status for purposes of the warrant counsel.
Yes, that the warrants be set aside, Judge.
Oh, you have somebody else. You have someone else.
Yeah, I got somebody in 5, but
All right, well, just,
if you want to put him in 6, I'll get to him.
All right, Mr. Graham, I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Wait on Mr. Zaranick to come talk to you, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
If you don't like the offer, he's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
I understand.
Mr. Graham, is this the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, join the room. Wait on Mr. Zaranick. Pass the matter. Oh, Jerry. Yeah. All right. Go ahead and speak to Mr. Leverett at breakout 5, and then all right. Let's go back on the record with Miss Okia. Miss Okia, did I get the pronunciation? Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go back on the record with Miss Okai. Did you never give me Miss Okai's file?
You said Miss Okai.
Hannah Okai. This is Mr. Berry. What does Miss Okai want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Okai has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal for valid documents.
I'm going to dismiss the case, Ms. Okai, from providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well, thank you.
Thank you. Galarza here, Ishmael Galarza.
Good morning, Mr. Warner.
Good morning to you, sir.
I need translator, Spanish.
Spanish interpreter, can we get Spanish interpreter for Mr. Ishmael Galarza, please? Okay, we've already requested one.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Officer Brandon, no driving in court.
Yes, sir. I do apologize. I was just called to a situation for Mr. Godbot.
Godbot never showed. Godbot, is Godbot here? Is Godbot here? Godbot never showed, so oh, he is here, he is here, he is here. All right, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until you get to a safe place. I'll put you out until you get to a safe place and call back in when you do.
Yes, I'm here.
Officer Brandon.
Officer Wilson.
Yes.
This is Mr.
Okay.
Donovan Godbot is here.
Donovan Godbot is.
Okay.
This is returning.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. All of these officers are here for Godbot. Yes. Let me let that officer get back here. Rashard Gray. City of Detroit.
Yes.
Versus Rashard Gray. Case number SP 1743771, SP 1734371. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Rashard Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Good morning to you, Mr. Gray. Is Officer Chapman here? Officer Chapman. I don't see an Officer Chapman on my list, Mr. Berry.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witness.
Case dismissed, Mr. Gray. Have a very good day. That's up to you.
All right, thank you.
All right. All right, let's go with Mr. Berry. We have Chris G. Who is Chris G? Good morning to you. First camera, state your name, please.
Morning, Your Honor.
What does Chris G stand for?
My name is Christopher Gibson. For Wendell Gibson.
Is that G-I-B?
Like Mel Gibson, the actor.
Say G-I-B?
Yeah, Gibson.
Yeah. Say Christopher Gibson. I don't think I know Christopher Gibson. I probably do know him. I just don't know him by name. Who does he play in? Who's your middle name, sir?
And
you have a bad connection. What is your middle name, Mr.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Christopher Gibson? What is your Say that again?
Okay,
You see him?
yeah.
Where?
He's on under 9 o'clock, right in the
Christopher
middle.
Lee Gibson?
Christopher Wynn,
Wynn. Like Steve Wynn?
like W-E-N. He's right above Donovan Godbot.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Wendell Gibson, case numbers SP 1722758, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 172278811. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Christopher Wendell Gibson.
One, you serve day of date and time set for trial. Is there an Officer Randall, Jasmine Randall? That officer I do not have on my list.
Your Honor, the motion is for dismissal, there being no complaining witness.
You're batting 1,000, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir, it's Friday.
Have a good day, Mr. Gibson. Best of luck to you. Case dismissed, all right?
Thank you, Mr. Berry.
You're welcome, Mr. Gibson.
Jeremy Gates, is that Gates? Jeremy Gates.
Yes, Your Honor, Jeremy Gates.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you as well.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jeremy Gates. I know he hopes you keep your batting average up. Case number SP 1157929, counts 1 and counts 2, and counts 3. SP 1724800, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1732501, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1733806, counts 1, 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gates.
Jeremy Gates.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Anybody here for Jeremy Gates? So I have Al Hadney, Officer Al Hadney is here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record?
Officer Al-Hadimi, badge 1563, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you.
Morning to you as well.
All right, Officer Stuckey is here. Officer Stuckey.
Yes, good morning.
Name, badge number, and department for the record, please.
Officer Trevor Stuckey, badge 4659, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Officer Han, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Fuhan, badge number 2612, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. And is there an Officer A. Williams? A. Williams. I do not see Officer, oh, A. Williams is here. Officer Williams, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Bus here, so give Mr. Gates an updated offer, Mr. Berry. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gates, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
No problem.
Forgive my interruption when you get a chance.
Yeah, Mr. Ball.
So Mr. Liddell, I have him on the telephone and he's having trouble logging on to Zoom. Can I introduced his audio into the meeting by way of my Zoom.
What are we setting it for?
Trial September 9.
Right.
Mr. Liddell, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, stand by.
Gotta figure it out by the day of the trial.
Yeah, oh yeah, we definitely will.
City of Detroit versus Richard Edward Liddell, case number SP 1649761, count 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record, loud and clear.
Richard Liddell.
Did you hear that, Your Honor? Okay, so can we have a bench trial date? My client's been advised.
Yeah, trial date is going to be September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Anybody else, Mr. Bob?
That's everything. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
You as well.
Bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the people have offered, my client would admit the reduced count of limited access 6 to 10. The other counts would be dismissed. He's waiving his rights and asking the court to adopt that.
Mr. Glover, did Ms. Soroki obviously answered all the questions you needed, right?
Yes.
You still need to ask me anything?
No.
All right. Tiffany, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on the client's behalf, Ms. Soroki.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10, $135. When can you pay it, Mr. Glover?
I can pay it by Monday.
All right, pay it by Monday. Pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you don't love that DivDac app to your phone. We'll come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Glover, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Cox.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, COX.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll tell the truth, whole truth? Strike that. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications? So help you God?
I do.
You swear or affirm to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English?
I do.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ishmael Galarza Roman, case number SP 171-75641. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamando el caso contra el señor Ismael Garza Gómez, el caso SP 17175641. Por favor, digan sus nombres para las escrituras.
Ismael Galarza.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Glaza.
La abogada Soroki, representando al señor Galarza.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Mr. Garza. Today is the date and time set for a trial.
Buenos días, señor Galarza. Hoy es el día y la fecha para un juicio.
Buenos días, señor juez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Is there Officer Aramonti here?
¿Está el oficial, el policía Garbanti hoy aquí?
Moranzi.
Moranzi, de apellido Moranzi.
There no response.
I'm going to move for dismissal, Your Honor. Today's date, time set for trial.
Como no se presentó el abogado Sonoría, a nadie contestó, voy a pedir que anulen el caso porque no se presentó.
I'll grant the motion. Have a good day, sir. Case is dismissed. Best of luck to you.
Entonces, yo concedo esa petición. El caso y sus cargos quedan anulados. Que tenga buen día.
Muchas gracias y buen día.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ms. Cox. Nothing further. You have a very good weekend, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're free to leave.
Thank you. Se puede desconectar, señor Galarza.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Soroki versus Alita Lane, case number SP 1663579, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 173193881, SP 1731943, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Lane.
Good morning. Good morning. State your name for the record, Ms. Lane, please.
Valita Lane.
All right, good morning to you, Officer Mitchell. Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Officer Mitchell, badge 2125, Detroit Police.
Good morning to you, and Officer Green. Good morning to you. Can you state your badge number, department, and for the record, please? Officer Green is doing. Let's go put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lane, and have a conversation with Ms. Roki. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leverett. Mr. Leverett, you want a trial date, sir?
Yes, sir.
Were you trying to get an appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to set a pre-trial date for you on September the 5th, 2025 at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you.
Yes, 313-575-5260.
All right, I need you to answer the call. If you don't recognize one of those calls, should be that appointed attorney. Come back on September the 5th, 2025. If that attorney hasn't contacted you by then, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, I do have a quick question for you, Your Honor. Is it possible if we can reschedule that day? I'm not sure. I have drill that day. I go to drill that weekend, that Friday morning. I'm not sure how busy we are going to be. If I can, be able to take that time out to take the Zoom call, so I would rather reschedule.
Come back on the 4th.
On the 4th, that's fine. That's perfect. Day before, that's
All
perfect.
right, and then she's set to make sure that attorney has contacted you, all right?
Sounds good. Thank you.
If she's not contacted you, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that day.
Okay, on the 4th at 8:35.
8:30. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Gladden, I see your hand is raised.
Hey, y'all better sit down.
How can I help you? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to 5 of the 10 charges, those being,
All right, let me stop. Oh, he already, this is statement set for time of trial. All right, go ahead.
failure to display, 2 improper plates, the expired plate charge, and the seatbelt charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, I do.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Where are you? Turn your camera on.
You can't hear me?
I think I turned it off because you were slow.
Okay. Does it start my video?
Yes. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell, excuse me, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Say that again.
I said I do.
Okay, put your hand down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine? I didn't hear you.
Yes, I do.
Let me stop your camera now. Maybe it's gonna help with transmission of the device with that. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, I do not.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 18th, 2025, around 6:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Ward. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I do.
Was it your 2007 Dodge?
I believe it's a Dodge. Yes, it's a Dodge Caravan. No, that was not my vehicle.
You were operating that vehicle, right?
Yes, I was operating it.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I do not have a valid driver's license.
Find guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Well, were the plates expired on that vehicle?
Yes, they were.
And did you have a seatbelt on?
No.
Find them responsible as charged to both the seatbelt and the expired plates. Let me draw your attention.
What's your plate number, boss? MOB. Features, no accidents, right?
Back to May the 21st, 2025, around 4:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of McNichols and Ashton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You were operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
That was a 2008 Dodge, right?
It was the same vehicle. That's why when you said, I'm not sure about the year, but it was for sure the same vehicle.
One one person wrote it as a 2007, the other wrote it as a 2008. Then you didn't own that vehicle, did you?
No.
You were operating that vehicle, correct?
Yes, I was.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, he did.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Because you didn't have one?
No, sir.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, sir?
I believe.
No, not
there
whether
was
you
a
believe. Whether you
No,
believe,
I
yeah.
believe. Here, you broke up a little.
It's not whether you believe, you have to know.
The plates wasn't. I think it was suspend. No, I think they was expired or something. It wasn't right though. Place wasn't right
How do you know that?
because I had received a ticket for it. I don't remember exactly what ticket.
Yeah, but you know, this is not your car, you indicated, right? He's breaking up. Is this your
Can you hear
car or
me?
not? Yeah, is this your car or
No,
not?
it's not. No, it's not
So
my vehicle.
do you know whether the plates were valid or not?
I knew that the plates weren't valid.
You knew that the plates
I
weren't
think it
valid
was
before you got in
expired.
the car. You knew that before you got in the car.
Yes, I did.
Find him guilty.
Yes, I did.
Charge the improper plate. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm gonna fine him. I'm not gonna fine you for the, I'll give you the same break I gave the other gentleman. I'm only gonna fine you for 3 of them. I'm not gonna fine you for the other 2. $240, $240, and $240. And I'll dismiss the improper plate and the allowing upon payment. And I'll waive the warrant fees. I don't see any reinstatement fees. When can you pay it, sir?
I would say today, but it would be no later than Monday.
All of that?
If you said it was 243 times,
Yes.
I can do at least 2 of them.
Well, let's give you 2 weeks to figure it out. You got to come back anyway to make sure that the stuff is closed out properly. Come back on 5th of September, 2025. All right. You don't have any questions
You said September 5th, what time?
at 8:25.
Okay.
Don't have any further questions. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. All right, you have a good day as well.
Let's go down to Kathy Lyons. Is Kathy Lyons here?
Yes.
Or in the city of Detroit versus Kathy Lyons, case number SP 11422201. SP 117683, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1217756, counts 1 and counts 2, and counts 3. SP 1232333, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1421884, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 164934661, and counts 1 and count with SP, strike that. SP 1649346, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1656271, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 892169, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19 3853771. Appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lyons.
Kathy Denise Lyons.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lyons owed $288 on one no insurance civil. She owes a few other civil infractions as well, but that no insurance civil could potentially set herself up to get a valid license if she paid it. Mrs. Lyons, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Join
Okay.
the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we have a plea worked out.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Graham? He must have fallen off. He didn't.
I just saw him on here.
I don't see him anymore. He's
Oh,
on the phone.
yeah, he's on there. Mr. Graham.
Mr. Graham? Mr. Graham? He must have fell asleep. All right, let's pass them.
Hello.
Mr. Graham, are you there?
There he is.
Yes.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Okay.
Swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, you put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Zoranic went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yeah.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I'm just trying to find how much I owe.
All right, you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I know.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
What's he pleading to, Mr. Zoranic?
On the docket, Judge, there's two tickets, 971 and 972. 971 will be dismissed. 972 will be reduced to improper plates. He also has two other tickets, Judge. They're two U tickets. One ends in 233. That's an alcohol offense. That'll be dismissed. And the other one ends in 219. That's a violation of knife ordinance. That'll be a 6-month delayed sentence.
That's Knox's tickets, the violation of knife ordinance. You want to plead to that?
Yeah, he was going to do a 6-month delayed sentence on that.
All right. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 3rd, 2025, at around 10:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodward and Sheldon. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah. Yes, I remember.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Actually, I was pushing it, but I guess you call it operating it. I guess that's what it was. I wasn't driving when they pulled it. I was pushing it because they had cut off, and I was trying to push it to the side. So I guess that's operating. I don't know.
I don't think that would be. I don't think you can push a vehicle without operating a vehicle.
Well, I was outside trying to push it out in the middle of the street.
So what, but it was on a public city street, sir, that the car was on?
Yeah, it was on Shelby and Woodward right there.
But it wasn't operating.
No,
I think it would
it
still
had
have
cut
to
off.
be insured or registered to be on the street, Judge.
Okay, it wasn't insured. Whether I had just got the car, I didn't make
Is
it. I
your
didn't make
vehicle,
it.
sir?
Yes, it was.
And you didn't have insurance on that vehicle?
No, I didn't.
All right. If I decline guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance. Let me draw your attention way back to December the 14th, 2019, at 1331 Broadway Street, the city of Detroit, at about 2 a.m. Did you have contact with the Detroit police on that day?
Yes, I did.
Did you have a knife on you, sir?
Yeah, I had a knife on me.
All right, it just says subject in possession of switchblade knife. It doesn't give me any facts to relate to why it was illegal.
So, sir, was the blade on the knife longer than 3 inches?
Yeah.
And it was a switchblade, correct?
No, a pull-out book knife, like a little pull-out,
okay.
folding knife.
All right. Either way, Judge, it's a violation of the ordinance.
Because the blade is longer than
Yes.
3 inches. All right, find you guilty as charged. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter. Right.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll stip the probable cause. Thank you.
All right. I'm not gonna fine you for your car breaking down and not having insurance. I'm gonna fine you $240 for the switchblade knife. 243 month delayed. I'm gonna give you until November the 24th, 2025 to pay it. And if you don't get any other trouble like that, then the matter is paid by November the 24th, 2025. We'll dismiss the case, okay? Come on back that morning. You pay it again, you div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you're nothing further, sir, November the 24th is your next court date. Have a very good day, all right?
So let me ask you a question. So that's all, the whole total is 240 or
240.
That's the whole total for everything.
For everything.
I had it paid before. That's my birthday, November 24th. So I had it paid by then.
All right, we'll see you back on your birthday then.
All right. So do I bring them? I can take the money at 36. Can I pay that, right?
Yes, you can do
Okay.
that.
Okay, I'm not far from there. All right, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Have a good weekend.
All right, you as well.
All right, bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Bernice Gladden. Case number is SP 16633-451, SP 14742-011. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Gladden, Your Honor. Please state your name, ma'am. You have to
Bernice
unmute.
Gladden.
Thank you.
Ms. Gladden, day is date and time set for a arraignment, counselor. on the bench warrant.
Arraignment, yep. We'll waive the formal reading of the information, Judge. We'd like to set aside the bench warrant.
Willing or not guilty, Miss Gladden's behalf, will give her a $0 bond. And all right, for SP 147-42011, I'm gonna dismiss that case. It's been paid. Get Ms. Gladden an updated offer on the other case. Ms. Gladden, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
Judge, did you already do Taryn Leverett?
Yes.
Okay, we were gonna set up for a bench trial, but you probably did it while I was in the breakout.
Appointing him an attorney, he's gonna come back for a pre-trial on the 4th of September.
Okay, good. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lyons. Ms. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor.
Hold on. Let's see. Lyons needs an appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did the appointed attorney ever contact you, Ms. Lyons?
No.
All right, Ms. Mathis, can you get an attorney in here now? She wanted to appoint an attorney last time. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, oh, that's Lyons. Wait a minute, which one is one? That's not here. Which one is that? Mr. Berry, let's call the City of Detroit versus Donovan Dewan Godwin, case number SP 12120. Strike that, SP 121-27001, SP 1253. Strike that, SP 125-22333, SP 125-61003. SP 125-61021, SP 1288495, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1297956, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 15723-881, SP 1629017. SP 1689881, SP 1732312, counts 1, counts 2. SP 17323. That's right, but SP 1732332, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1734125, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1734142, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 886503, counts 1 and 2. SP 9758813, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 19418278, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Les Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Godbot.
Donovan Dewan Godbot.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. For clearances for Godbot,
It's gonna be Officer Coleman here for Godbot.
good morning to you, Officer Coleman. Next badge number, department, please.
I'm sorry, 1 second, Judge.
Your Honor, Officer Maverick Lunguski, badge 746, Detroit Police, also here on Mr. Godbot.
Good morning to you, Officer Muskie. Officer Zacchio. He was here.
Officer Coleman here for GABA also, sir.
Yeah, and state your name, badge, and number and department, please.
Officer Coleman, badge 337, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Officer Brandon is here. Officer Coleman is here. Officer Gusky's here. I haven't seen Officer Wright. Mr. Berry.
We move for dismissal, Your Honor.
I don't know the other 3 officers on that 19 case. I haven't seen Officer White, Officer Presley, and Officer Sherry. All right, so we'll grant the motion to dismiss on those officers. Get Mr. Gaba an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gaba, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in the breakout room with Mr. Soroki. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Berry, join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lane. Ms. Lane, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we did reach a resolution with the city attorney, the suspended license being amended to fail to display. And I believe the other charge was expired plate violation. All other counts are being dismissed.
I don't have an expired plate.
I'm sorry, registration, no registration.
Yeah, it's a misdemeanor though. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, I do understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I understand that as well.
And Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, you did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No, not at all, Your Honor.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Can we get this correct?
No, they have not.
All right. I'm going to draw your attention back to May 24th, 2025, around 9:00, strike that around 6:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Were you operating this 2000 Lexus?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and registration?
And I was unable to do both.
And why is that?
Because the car was not registered and I did not have a valid license.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the not having a valid for not having a valid registration. And then what was the other amended count, Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, it was going to be failed to display, but she did say that would be the expired plate. So could you amend the like the improper U-turn to the expired plate? Because if you look, the one gets listed as a civil.
I don't have a problem with that.
Thank you.
All right. So I won't find you guilty of improper placement. I mean, I'll dismiss the no registration, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible, please.
So stipulated.
And I'll find you guilty for the amended count of failing to display for the not having a valid license with stipulates the proper cause will dismiss all the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. I'll waive the warrant fees for you, ma'am. 240 and 145. When can you pay it?
The total is 240 and 145.
Yes.
I can make a payment on the
385.
385 completely, and I can pay the remainder balance this coming up week.
Say it again. When can you have it all paid? Just give me a final date. You can pay it any kind of way you want to pay it.
By next week, I can have the total balance paid off, sir. Your Honor.
You want to pay it? I'll give you until 9/5/2025 to pay it off. Pay it when you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit, Miss Lane, or I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's something further, Miss Lane, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you as well. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Gladden. Ms. Gladden, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes, I had a chance to speak with counsel.
You want to set a trial date, Ms. Gladden?
Yes, I do.
Yes. You want the appointment of an attorney?
Huh?
Do you want an appointed attorney on this matter, or you want to just set a trial date?
Just set a trial date.
Trial date is going to be September the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay, via Zoom, correct?
It's like Burger King now. You have it your way.
Okay.
Via Zoom. All right?
Okay. Oh,
Best
one
of
more
luck.
thing. Did you get the payment for the last ticket?
I dismissed the case. Yes. Because you paid it. That was the deal. You pay it, it'll get dismissed. I dismissed it now.
Okay, because I gave them $200 and something for the ticket.
I know. I told you it was dismissed upon payment. And I saw that you paid it, so I dismissed it.
Okay,
so
thank
you.
you.
Were supposed to give them the $240, but we dismissed it because you paid it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, Miss Glad.
Okay.
All right, we're waiting on an attorney. Ms. Cox, you've already been sworn in. This is the city of Detroit versus Pablo Huber Gomez, case number SP 174-9798, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llamaron el caso contra el señor Pablo Gómez, SP 1749798. Por favor, digan sus nombres para las escrituras.
Pablo Ever Gómez Gómez.
Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Su honoría, la abogada Pauline Soroki, representando al acusado.
All right, Mr. Gomez, Mr. Soroki, good morning to you. Mr. Soroki is going to get you an update. Mr. Soroki is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Ese señor López Gómez nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que la abogada le dé a usted una oferta. Si usted la quiere aceptar, cuando regresen le dice al juez qué quiere hacer, pero usted tiene un derecho absoluto de no aceptarla. Por favor, cuando vea en su pantalla que diga join, oprima ese botón o unirse.
No, está bien, gracias.
Okay, that's fine, thank you.
And Judge, can I get a moment before we go to the next case?
Yes. Tell Ms. Thomas. You got full. I think you do. I don't.
What time is on?
He's
trying to. And we should him up in the back hallway.
There you go. I'll let you do that. You see him in?
You know, you think something, they was calling my name, I didn't hear him.
You'd be sending everybody down when they're just 10.
Oh, it was
I
just
thought
me.
you took them 30.
Oh, well, you could say it just. 30 to me. Pay 2 tickets to miss everything else. Five
Make some money then.
Yeah, they all be out there. What? Right now, today, no payment plans. Pay today only.
Let's see, none. This is. I remember that.
You gotta pay today.
Huh?
Yeah, they pay something. They pay them to take the plea. They used to do this for when you're walking back, you hate.
You ready on Gotham?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Donovan Gotham. Mr. Gotham, to give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the driving while license suspended. That's ending in 561. I mean, yes, it is 561. And to enter a plea of responsible to the civil infractions, 2 no plates cart charges, defective or missing equipment, no valid registration, and defective brake lights. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Wait a minute, how is this? What is 1 failure to display?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just give me, and what else?
2 no plates, defective or missing equipment, no valid registration, and defective brake lights.
1 misdemeanor and all the rest civil infractions?
Yes, Your Honor.
understand that. You got a very good deal here, Mr. Goddard. Raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Understood.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes. No, I do not.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, I don't think it matters which one you want the failure to display. Let me draw your attention back to May 27, 2025, around 3:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Perkins and Iroquois. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I sure did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, he did. Yeah.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I could not.
Why is that?
My driver's license were suspended.
All right. I'll fine him $240 for not having a valid driver's license. Stipulate to facing the ticket as an active factual basis for those responsible, please, on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find him responsible. SP 173-233 counts 1, counts 2. Witness. And no plates. Find him responsible for SP 1734125-1, no plate. Count 2, no valid registration.
I have a quick question, Your Honor.
Yes.
Once I get this matter situated, will I be able to restore my license?
You need to pay that $336 for that insurance no proof first. And then you'll be eligible for, at least you'll have clearances with 36 district court. If you pay that insurance no proof.
Okay.
I'm gonna find you $170 a piece for the no plates, $90 for the no registration, and $120 a piece for the defective equipment. I'll dismiss all the other matters.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Your Honor, just so Mr. Godbot knows, he does still need to go to Centerline's court to take care of his one ticket with them for his suspension with them.
Centerline, you heard that?
Yeah, I heard. I'll be working on that as well.
All right, I'm gonna just pay by next month. Either get into a payment plan. I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. 9/19/2025 allow payment plan. So either have it paid off, or you don't have to come back either. You either have it paid off by 9/19 or come down to the courthouse and get into that payment plan on or before 9/19. Okay?
Okay, will do. How much was the for Centerline? How much was the fee for Centerline again?
You have to probably go to court on that.
Okay.
Yes. So you got one in Centerline. You just got to go check in with them. It's from a couple years ago. And then I'm seeing you also have one from November of last year with Roseville. You got to go take care of. Those are the only other two that are outside the city of Detroit.
And then that 336 should be the first priority you pay on that city of Detroit. No insurance proof. All right, sir. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you can get it together. Okay.
I will do. I sure will. Thank you so much.
All right. Best of luck to you. Be safe out there, and officers. Thank you, Mr. Gusky, and officers. Everybody else, be safe out there. Have a very good day.
Thank you. You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, there we go. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Pablo Gomez. Mr. Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Estamos otra vez bajo las escrituras en el caso del señor Pablo Gómez. Yo le he dado la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. A señora abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, the people are amending the license violation if failed to display and dismissing the second count. My client's waiving his rights and accepting that.
Su honoría, la fiscalía ha hecho la oferta de que van a rebajar el cargo de que no tenía licencia a que falló en presentarla. El otro cargo sería anulado y mi cliente quiere aceptar esa oferta.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere aceptar la oferta?
Yes.
Turn your camera on, please.
Por favor, prenda su cámara.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante su mano derecha.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Puede bajar la mano.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Usted entiende que la condena máxima por esta infracción podría ser hasta $500 de multa y 93 días de cárcel.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Usted entiende que tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
La abogada Saroki le dijo cuáles eran sus derechos en el cuarto privado.
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Usted entiende que al aceptar esta oferta usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo diferente de lo que hemos dicho ahora bajo las escrituras?
No.
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to July the 3rd, 2025, around 8:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Verner and Waterman. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yo quiero que usted se acuerde del día 3 de julio, alrededor de las 8:18, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles Verner y Waterman, lo detuvo un policía.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Usted estaba manejando un vehículo.
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el policía le preguntó o le pidió que le entregara una licencia válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Pero no pudo hacerlo, ¿correcto?
No, no pude. Correcto.
Yes, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué?
No tengo, no traigo.
I don't have one.
Find the client guilty of the amended count of allowing, with the stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Entonces, lo voy a encontrar culpable del cargo rebajado de que permitió que una persona sin licencia manejara y con la estipulación que acaba de hacer la abogada, anulamos los otros cargos.
¿Entendió? Ok.
Ok.
So stipulated.
Así lo estipulo.
$240, sir. When can you pay it?
La multa son $240, señor. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Hoy.
Today?
And make sure it's in here by Monday, August 25th, 2025.
Entonces tiene que pagarlos antes del lunes 25 de... I'm sorry, Your Honor. Del 25 de agosto. August 25th is that, I'm sorry, Your Honor, this is the interpreter. August 25th, right?
Correct.
Correcto, el 25 de agosto lo tiene que haber pagado antes de esa fecha.
Muy bien, gracias.
Very good.
If you handed any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Entonces se puede pagar, las dos maneras mejor que le puedo decir es que puede pagar por uno de los kioscos DivDat que hay alrededor de la ciudad o puede venir aquí al edificio de la corte y pagarlo en la ventanilla del cajero. Si no hay más nada o no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, que tenga buen día, Dios, que manténgase seguro.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Tenga buen día, buena suerte a usted, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Roki. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Waiting on an appointed attorney for Ms. Lyons.
She said she.
All right, Ms. Lyons, we're waiting on an attorney.
Okay.
You get,
That's the onboarding and time off request, fixing payroll. It has to stop.
So we're just waiting for the spot appointment.
Wait for who?
The spot appointment. Sorry. Were we able to find someone? For the one that I emailed you for the spot. Well, you need to zoom in. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's here.
September.
You said it's September 9th.
Yeah.
Oh, what date?
That's the day we talk. All right, let's.
She getting the trial date, Judge.
Yeah, that's what, that's what you said, I'll get over it.
Okay. I'm very tired. I'm so very tired. Jesus, very tired. Yeah. This was just screaming, man. I'm tired when it first came out. That's how I used to look. Hey, are you from Zoom? For Kathy Lyons. Okay. Bye-bye. Here it is.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lyons. Ms. Lyons, Mr. Baughman is here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with them. You guys get acquainted. Mr. Baughman, unless something changes, I'm gonna give Ms. Lyons a trial date on September 9th, okay?
Understood. Thank you. Good morning, Miss Lyons.
Good morning.
Ms. Lyons, join breakout room 6, September 9th. If you don't have anything further after you get acquainted, then we'll conclude the morning.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I advise and release the defendant?
You may.
Thank you. I hope you have a great weekend.